I'm here at Winnower Farm with Brennan Henry, who's showing off some of his awesome grains he's growing.
This here is Idaho River, recently bred spelt from Washington State. As you can tell, it's awnless, and it's a gorgeous little grain, really coming into itself.
Cool.
And now on to the malting barley, Alba. Another recently bred one from OSU. Really coming in. We hope to be malting this fall.
Awesome.
A few beds of that. More malting barley, because we want to start making our own whiskey one day. This is called Streaker.
That's a naked one, right?
Should be.
Cool.
But this is this is some of the spring planted stuff. This is straight from Rimza. This is another malting barley called Bear. This is more Bear barley. The second half of this bed, maybe you can see it, is Courtesan.
Oh, cool. That's Kamut, but
Right
not
here.
trademarked.
Right here this is probably the most diverse grain bed in the farm. Sonoran white wheat, another awnless variety. Into a variety that's not heading out yet, called Utrecht Blue, straight from the Netherlands. Into some Durham, Blue Durham.
Cool.
A real good flavor. Into another wheat called Revet. More barley, and more oats, and oats.
Cool.
And of course the OG, which is einkorn.
Yeah. Einkorn. We already are carrying your einkorn in the co-op, which is awesome.
And then a new variety, straight from the Baltic region.
That one down there?
Sengay Dry.
That's beautiful.
It's Henry High by 4th of June, which is a pretty good sign. It's probably one of the most impressive grains out here, at least in terms of biomass.
Yeah.
But it's just about done flowering, so we hope to see berries out here pretty soon.
Cool. So, what are you mentioned you were doing some stuff with Rimza. Can you talk about that?
Rimza, we grow, we've moved up. We used to get several packets of 5-gram quantities. They would send it to us. We would grow them out and send them back seed as a way to repopulate heritage grains and revitalize the population. But now I've moved up to a point where I grow 1 or 2 varieties at a larger amount. So the Bear barley here, we planted about just under a half of a pound. And the idea is that we will send them maybe 15 to 20 pounds now as a way to more so spread these grains throughout the West. And this is a good success from last year. Last year we planted a pound of Sonoran white wheat, and we're still eating it at home today. And it's a gorgeous variety.
Cool. That's so awesome. So on a home scale or a pretty small scale, this is not a big patch.
This is a 1/6 of an acre.
That's a lot of grain for a little tiny patch, and you're still eating it, which is super cool. Awesome.
Totally.